Now see the last question, that is study the various packets of groceries brought from the market. Weigh each packet and compare its weight with the weight stated on the packet. Now name of the object. You can write any object, whatever you are having grocery items, the packed one in your, that is available at your home. Okay. Weight that you measured. तुम measure करने के बाद what weight you got. ओके घर पे मेजरिंग कप होता है ना, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट मेजरिंग कप यू कैन मेजर इट. देन वेट स्टेटेड ऑन द पैकेट. अभी पैकेट के ऊपर कितना वेट दिए हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 200, 500, 250, तो उतने वेट्स वॉट एवर विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेजरिंग कप यू हैव मेजर्ड, उतना वेट है कि नहीं प्रॉपरली. पॉसिबल रीजन फॉर डिफरेंस. अगर डिफरेंस है तो क्या हो सकता है, व्हाट विल बी द रीजन. समटाइम्स सी यू ऑल माइट हैव सीन दैट लेस पैकेट, अंदर पूरा हवा भरा होता है, एयर इट इज फिल्ड, करेक्ट, एंड दे विल बी शोइंग द वेट ऑफ 20 ग्राम 30 ग्राम, बट जब व्हेन वी विल रिमूव द एयर तो उसकी वेट और कम हो जाती है, डिफरेंस 5 ग्राम ऐसा कुछ डिफरेंस कम हो जाता है. सो लाइक दैट यू ऑल कैन सी the grocery items that is available at your home, the measures that is stated on the packet and the measures that you have measured. तुम्हारे when you measure how much measurement you are getting, अगर difference है तो reason क्या हो सकते हैं, you are supposed to find it out, and this is homework. Okay, now we are then going to the next page. Weight the fruits and vegetables and write the weight in kilograms and grams. This is also homework only, then too I will discuss it how you all supposed to do it. Now see vegetable, 1 bag of brinjals. Now this is up to us whether it is a small bag or if it is a big bag, like that. Okay, how much it can hold. Small bag, in small bag approximately it can hold half kg, but if it is a big bag it can hold more than 2 kg, more than 3 kg also. So it depends upon the size of bag. Okay, now 1 small basket of onions. Now it is also depend on the size of basket. If it is a small basket means it will at least nearby it will hold 1 kg. If it is more than, if it is a big basket, then it can hold up to 10 kg 20 kg also. So it depends on the depends upon the size of basket. Okay, now third one, a pumpkin at least minimum it weighs 1.5 kg, 1 kg up to minimum, but maximum it can be 4-5 kg also. Okay, then 15 bitter gourds karela. So 15 bitter gourds, how much it can weigh, it weight can be up to 2 kg. Okay, it also depends upon the size of the bitter gourd. Okay students. Okay, now in the next video we will see the volume and capacity. Okay, I hope students you all might have understood this topic. So you can check the items that is available at home, whether the measurement what they have stated on the packet it is correct or what, like that you all can also measure the grocery items at home. Okay students.